Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to banking awareness. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams like IBPS, SSC, banking, clerical and many other competitive exams. So now we will see the questions in detail.
First question, who compiles economic survey report in India? And the options are, first option RBI, second one SEBI, third option Ministry of Finance and fourth option IRDA. Correct answer is option 3, Ministry of Finance. Next, which of the following would fall under the category of retail banking? Options, credit cards, home loans, personal loans, all of these. Correct answer is option 4, all of these. Next, which of the following terms is not used in banking or finance related matters? Options, discount rate, general ledger, letter of credit, law of motion. Correct answer is option 4, law of motion. Next, what is a commercial paper? Options, a paper is used by Reserve Bank of India and Trade and Commerce. Third option, a document issued by IDBI for seeking reference facility from Reserve Bank of India. Fourth, it is an unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of promissory note. And the correct answer is option 4. A commercial paper is an unsecured money market instrument which is issued in the form of promissory note. Next, which of the following remains at the top of organizational structure of RBI? Options, Central Board of Directors, Chief General Manager, Executive Director, Governor. Correct answer is option 1, Central Board of Directors. Next, what is credit? Options, a stock flow concept, second option flow concept, third option a holding concept and fourth option stock concept. Correct answer is option 1. Credit is a stock flow concept. Next, Swabhiman, the financial inclusion scheme, comes under the purview of which ministry? Options, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Commerce. Correct answer is option 2, Ministry of Finance. Next, the term HNI used in banking parlance means? Options, high net worth individual, high net worth individual, high nuisance individual, highly negative individual. Correct answer is option 1, high net worth individual. Next, what is the USP in a savings bank account of a bank over another bank? Options, higher rate of interest, low risk transaction, easy to operate, banking channels and branches. Correct answer is option 1, higher rate of interest. Next, which of the following bank is not wholly owned by the Government of India? Options, Reserve Bank of India, Punjab and Sindh Bank, State Bank of India, Central Bank of India. Correct answer is option 3, State Bank of India. Next, 11th question, bank rate policy, open market operations, variable reserve requirements and statutory liquidity requirements employed by Reserve Bank has means of credit control with which of the following? Options, qualitative method, both of the above, quantitative method, all of the above. Correct answer is option 3, quantitative methods. Next, economic planning is an essential feature of which economy? Options, dual economy, capitalist economy, social economy, mixed economy. Correct answer is option 3, social economy. Next. Under which of the following type of account is a specified amount deposit every month for a specific period? Says 12, 24, 36 and 60 months. Options are recurring amount, saving bank account, fixed deposit account, current account. And the answer is option 1, recurring account. Next. A customer is required to maintain the adequate balance in his or her account in order to use his which card in the merchant establishment? Options: debit card, credit card, smart card, add-on credit card. Correct answer is option 1, debit card. Next. In terms of Reserve Bank of India guidelines, banks in India must pay a minimum interest on the balances held in savings bank account. At how much percent? Options: 4%, 3.50%, 5%, 6%. Correct answer is option 1, 4%. Next. How commercial bank can regulate money supply? Options: augmentation of savings and time deposits. Second, printing of 1 rupee notes. Third, prevention of high demonstration notes. Fourth, creation of demand deposits. Correct answer is option 4, creation of demand deposits. Next, what is SEBI? Options: constitutional body, advisory body, statutory body, non-statutory body. And the answer is option 3, statutory body. Next. Who covered the export credit packing advance sanctioned to FSI exporters under the credit guarantee scheme? Options are ECGC, DRI, GIC, DICGC. And the answer is option 1, ECGC.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.